All right, guys, let's take a look at percent discount. So we've got our little formula over here in the turquoise and black. Old minus old minus new divided by old. So that's how if we know that formula, stuff's really not that hard. If we don't know that formula, it's going to be pretty hard. Okay, so here we have our first question, right? Something was $300, now it's $220. What's the percent discount? Okay, so the new price is 220, right? That's the price that it is now. The old price is 300. So we have 300 minus the new price, right? 220 divided by, remember the old price was 300, right? Okay, so if you simplify this one out a little bit, 300 minus 220 is 80 over 300, right? And then we just got some simpler math to do, and we'll be there. And 80 divided by 300 equals 26%. Looks like we got some old math sitting over here. Forget about that. All right, let's do another one. Do one more of these, right? Again, same exact formula. So on this one, it's going to say was 200 now let's say it's 150. Okay, so the price for something was $200. Now it's 150. Or it could just easily be it was $200,000 and now it's $150,000. It's going to be the same percent discount. Okay, so it was 200, now 150. So we have old, right? The old price is 200 minus the new. It's now 150, so that's the new price. Divided by the old price. Old price is 200. Okay, there we go. Got some more old stuff. I need to do a better job of erasing. But 200 minus 150, pretty simple, equals 50. Yeah, 50 and divided by 200. Right. If we do that, we get 25% for our answer. So it's a 25% discount versus when it was 200. And that's all you got to know. So that is percent discount. Hope the video helped. Remember our formula. Old minus new divided by old. That's the key. We got to know that. Otherwise, this stuff is really, really hard. If we know that formula, it's really pretty simple math.